In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can post a voice message on Twitter. You can simply post a voice recording on your X account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your X app. On the feed page, tap on this plus button. Tap on the recording icon just right here. Then click on the audio button to start recording. You can add any caption of your own choice. You can also tag people in your recording. Then tap on post and it will get shared to your X feed successfully. That's how easy it is to post Twitter voice messages. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.